All right, guys, here we go. 611 premium foosball jersey. All right, six. That's right, man. 611 premium football jersey. 5 times for 5 times, guys. We'll start out and see which number jersey we're getting. They're all hand numbered out of 50 here, and 2 stacks of 25 behind me. We'll probably more like 2 stacks of 22 now. 4 times, 5 times. 5 times. Did you check them out? It's good to go. You can enter the club now. 41. All right, 5 times for 5 times. 41. We do a very thorough background check before people get into the group, you know. All right. 41. 41, 41. All right, 41 it is. All right, here we go. All right, Brett with 5, KJ 2, Josh D 2, Susan 1, Nick 1, Matt Tree, Jeff 4, Roy 2, Jen 4, Josh Ruggles 3, Nick Harari 1, Sean 1, Ryan Z 1, Josh 1, and Tim Augustine with 1. All right, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. And Ryan Z, you're on top. And Josh D, you're on the bottom. 5 times for 5 times. Alright, I'm going to group you guys together here. Alright, Brett, Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Chiefs, Chargers. Jeff K, Jags, Rams, Seahawks, Bucks. Jen Nather, Ravens, Lions, Colts, Dolphins. Josh, Falcons, Skins. Josh, Ruggles, Browns, Raiders, Niners, Titans. KJ, Cowboys, Pats. Matt, Bears, Packers, Jets. Nick Harari, Broncos, Steelers. Roy, Giants, Eagles. Ryan Z, Cards. Sean, Texans. Susan, Vikes. Tim with the Saints. Alright, Gold Rush Minis on deck, guys. Any trades here? Any trades at all? Alright. Need a bag. Steelers for Saints. I am, fair enough. Cards for Finn. He's transitioning. Alright, guys, here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. 611 premium football jersey. Oh. First premium jersey it's cut. You know it's going to be a good jersey. P-SPORTSCARDS24, live box breaks, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dun, 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 dun. It is Michael Vick. Mike Vick for the Eagles. Michael Vick. Mike Vick for the Eagles. Alright, on-field Reebok, Michael Vick jersey. Michael Vick, JSA. W308082. Michael Vick, looks like there's no JSA card. Alright. Michael Vick, autographed foosball jersey for the Eagles. Alright, nice Mike Vick, autographed jersey. We'll check the box. All right, Philadelphia Eagles. That'll go to Roy F. All right, Roy, there you go, man. You got yourself a nice Mike Vick autographed foosball jersey. Very nice. 5 times for the 5 times. Ram.org. Top spot, free spot. Bonus break. Once, twice. 3, 4, and 5. And that's going to Nick Carrari. Very nice. Up next, guys, Gold Rush Mini. That was 611. 611. So Nick Carrari, number 611. Premium football jersey. Okay. All right, very good, guys. Very good. Up next, Gold Rush Mini. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nice hit, Roy.